Hi there, it's Eileen and welcome to the Hearts. In today's video, I will be doing 3 fun DIYs for 4th of July. This video is very special because I am collabing with my friend Lisa from Lisa Kennedy Dollar Mom. She is very talented and she does great Dollar Tree DIY. Her farmhouse DIY are amazing. So be sure to check out her channel. We are both doing 4th of July decor. Yeah, and she also have Instagram. So please visit her channel after you are done with this video. Let's go ahead and get started. For my first DIY, I will be using these branches from our backyard, some Dollar Tree floral stems, masking tape, spray paints from Walmart, and then these foam stars from Dollar Tree, and then the bucket. First, I wrap the branches and the stem with small pieces of masking tape. And if you are following my channel, for sure you know that I made this kind of DIY on Easter and Christmas. Yeah, so if you are making some wreath, don't throw away the floral stem because they are very useful. And here I made 3 of these branches. Then I went out to spray paint it. For the first branch, I'm using this colonial red Rust-Oleum that I've got from Walmart. Then the second branch, I'm using this navy blue. And after that, I paint red spot to accent the blue branch. Then I did the same thing with the other branch using blue spots to accent the red branch. Yeah, I'm trying new things here and I think it's really cute. I love how it turned out. And I painted the third branch white. Then I add red and blue spots to accent the white branch. Then I spray painted the bucket with the colonial red. I let it dry and then I went back inside and I grabbed some rocks. And the foundation of the branches is very important to this project, so I used the rocks and I put some pebbles that I have on hand. You can use any pebbles that you have. And then after that, I distressed the bucket with nutmeg brown and jet black acrylic paint. And it looks like this. I really love the spots that I put on these branches. And here we're gonna add some garland that I've got from Walmart. I know, from Dollar Tree. And what's happening? And then I just wrap it around on the branches. I just put little by little because I don't want to overdo it. And then after that, I grab the star foam, and then just put it. But before that, I like to make these branches look like it's a fireworks. So I'm just twisting it. Is that the word? Yeah, like bending it. Yeah, I'm bending it like three bends. And then voila, it looks like this. And after that, I will add some more. Oh, um, there are more stems that don't have the stars, so I'm just wrapping it around on the branches. And then I added some more garland. Then here I will be using these string lights that I've got from Dollar Tree. I tried to glue it at the back of the bucket, but it fell down and I cannot really wait to put on the lights, so I just put it on top of the bucket and then I wrap around the lights on the branches. Then voila, we're done. I really love how it turned out. It looks like a fireworks. For my next DIY, I used a Home of the Brave flag and a placemat, and I will be using this garden pole from Dollar Tree. And then I took the placemat outside and spray painted And here I am using the jute twine to make a French at the bottom part. And then I use hot glue to attach it. And it looks like this. And for the last step, I grab another placemat. I glued it at the back of the garden flag. This will help with the weight of your garden flag, and it is good. And then I have this spray glue that I found on my craft stash. I tried to secure it more with this glue, and then ta-da, it looks like this. But I feel like it's too long, so I made the ribbons shorter, and it looks like this. I'm so happy of how it turned out. For my last DIY, I will be using these letters, stickers, and the spray paint, and also this round board that I've got from Dollar Tree. I already spray painted it with Waverly chalk paint. I gave it two coats and I draw lines where will I put my letters. And then I just lightly put on the letters until I'm happy with the placement before I press firmly them onto the board. Then after putting the letters, I brought it outside and spray painted it with the navy blue. I let it dry overnight. Now it is dry, I peeled off the stickers using this tool, and while peeling it off, I saw some blue paints on the letters. So I used Waverly chalk paint to clean it up. And my suggestion, you don't need to clean it completely because you will distress it later. It took me an hour to clean the letters, so yeah, that's my suggestion. You don't need to clean it completely. I distressed the board using the burnt umber and jet black acrylic paint. I just lightly painted it, and then I also used white acrylic paint to put more dimension. Then I used the territorial beige for the lines to pop out, and it will look like wooden look. Then lastly, I used the sandpaper to blend it. using hot glue, and I also have this white berries that I've got from Dollar Tree, and I just hot glue it around the bows, and it's a good touch. After that, I attach some nautical rope so that we can hang it, and voila, it looks like this. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what's your favorite. And please visit Lisa Kennedy. She have something for you, and for sure you're gonna love her. Thanks again for watching, and see you on my next DIY. Bye bye guys. Take care. God bless.